Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve 18x minus 9x by 9x equals 1. X, you have to find the value of x. So let's start it. Okay, first divide 9x on both numbers, right? So we can write 18x over 9x minus 9x by 9x is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, according to maths rule, we can write this 18 by 9 in the form of whole, whole x. Okay, and these two will cancel with each other, so 1 will be left. In next step, also cancel these two values, 9 twos are 18. So from here we will be left with 2x minus 1 equals 1. Now shift this minus 1 to the right side, it will become positive 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, now here the power of 2 is 1. Bases are same, so we can say that x is equal to 1. So this is the value of x. Okay, you can do verification to verify your answer. Put back this value of x equal 1 in original question, right? So 18 9 power 1 divided by 9 power 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so this will become 18 minus 9 by 9 equal to 1. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 9 will cancel with each other, so from here 1, so 1 is equal to 1. So our verification is done and x value is 1. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.